In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Google Analytics. Whether you're looking to set the language to something more comfortable or perhaps switch for a client project, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in under 5 minutes. First, let's start by heading over to the Google Analytics homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Analytics, or search for Google Analytics to find the official site. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign into Analytics button on the top right corner of the page. Click on that to begin the sign-in process. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If not, you might need to create a Google account first and follow any initial setup instructions. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. This is your hub for all analytics data, but today our focus is on altering the language settings. So let's move on to the next step. On the bottom left hand side of your screen, you should see a panel with various options like Home, Reports, and so on. What we need to do is locate and click on the Admin button. This is your gateway to all Google Analytics settings and preferences. Upon clicking Admin, you'll be navigated to the Admin area. Here, you get to manage your accounts, properties, and data settings. Our target is to adjust the user settings, specifically the language. On the right side of the admin panel, look for My Preferences and click it. A new window will pop up that contains all your personal settings within Google Analytics. Once you are in the My Preferences window, scan through the options and locate the section titled Language. This is typically a drop-down menu that allows you to select from various language options. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of languages available. Scroll through until you find your desired language and select it. It's as simple as that. Lastly, don't forget to save these changes to ensure your selections are applied. Look for a Save button, usually located either at the bottom or top right corner of the window, and click it. Once you've saved the changes, your Google Analytics interface will instantly be updated to reflect the new language settings. It's important to remember that this change will only affect the Google Analytics interface and not any actual data or reports. Thus, you can change this setting as often as needed without disrupting your analytics work. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the language in Google Analytics. This small tweak can significantly enhance your experience and make navigating and understanding your data a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips and tutorials.